Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a bitcoin.com account using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the bitcoin.com app on your mobile device. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started or Sign Up. Enter your email address, then you will receive a verification email. Open your email inbox and find the message from bitcoin.com. Tap the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the app and log in if needed. Follow the prompts to back up your wallet. This usually involves noting down a 12-word recovery phrase. Store this recovery phrase securely and never share it with anyone. Once your wallet is backed up, your bitcoin.com account is ready to use. You can now send, receive, or buy cryptocurrency directly from the app. And that's it. You have successfully created your bitcoin.com account on your mobile. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more finance tips. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.